cousins.
Brooklyn, look, it's from your cousins Olivia and David. Yeah, you can open it? You open it? Some more light. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Look at the pretty paper that Olivia did. That was so nice.
There's more.
Can you open the bow? Look at the pretty bow. You might need some help, huh? Here, let's see. You pull it? Okay. Now this. There you go. There you go. Oh, so, oh, help. Okay. Look at that, sparkly.
Wow.
Look at that. The paper. Oh, the bow is pretty. You like the bow. Did you get this?
Oh, it's stuck on you. Stuck on you.
Should we open this?
Cute little card.
It's from Olivia and David. You feel?
Nope, you make it up.
Hi. Hey, wait, we have to open this still. Brooklyn, hold on. Here, you open this? You open it?
You're really good in those, Brooklyn. You're good accessories.
Okay, let's open it. Ready? Mommy help you. Mommy help you.
Mom, it seems wrong.
Oh, what's that?
A little Abercrombie?
first?
What is that?
Oh,
Oh, Arizona.
Adirondacks.
Oh, the Adirondack.
Adirondacks.
Swimming.
Yes.
Post-swimming.
That is a good
Isn't that
idea.
beautiful? Oh, she needs another sweatshirt. Oh, that's so cute. My sister, they have a house up in the Adirondacks Mountains.
You will put this on. There's more.
Beautiful.
Jason,
There's more stuff.
hold it.
Olivia said, I said to Olivia, I'll pack it when I get home. She says, no, I have to do it. So she did.
Oh, perfect.
Puppy and pals. We like puppies. Look at. Look.
She likes books.
She loves
Yeah.
book. Look at the puppy book. One. Look at the, oh, kitty. Puppy kitty. Yeah, the butterflies. You like that. Turtles.
That's as good as convenient.
Yeah.
Bow on her head.
Nice.
Okay, what else? What else?
Let's open this.
Let's get some stills too.
You're
Let's
filming.
open this.
I can't see without my glasses.
Yeah.
Let's give it to her mom to do.
There you are. Olivia. Brooke.
There you go.
Here,
You
Brooke.
the best. Look at your present.
Let's open this. Oh.
Help Mama.
I'm helping you.
She really got it.
What is that? Oh, perfect! That's what Daddy wanted you to have.
Oh, Sean, this is
Look at
just what you needed.
Look.
You got blood.
Lot. We were trying to find you some.
Right side. You got some blood.
She's clapping. She's clapping. And more, there's more.
There's more books.
Oh, my books.
More books.
I have to rescue our coffee. You can come with if you want. But
Come here,
I gotta
Brooke.
Okay, we're out of